Guys, I tried to spot a 0.2 nickel strip from my DIY spot welding microwave transformer. If can manage to stick a 0.2. Guys, ito na yung microwave transformer. Paklasin lahat ang secondary coil. Pakaingatan yung primary na hindi ma-damage. Malinis na. Pwede nang lagyan ng braided wire 25mm 4 to 6 torn para sa spot welding. And this is my braided wire. Insert this one. I use a string tube 1.0mm diameter for my 25mm squared braided wire. And I headed the head shrink using the head gun. I install rubber pad for vibrating absorption, and I secure the microwave transformer with screw to minimize the vibration of the transformer during the operation. And this is my braided wire 25mm squared. I insert the braided wire carefully to the microwave transformer to avoid scratching the heat shrink tube or the insulation of the wire. I ensure tightening the braided wire to the microwave to avoid any vibration of the wire during the operation. And I made up 4 turns from 1.3 meters braided wire, which is enough for the large current that I want to. And then checking the resistance, which is 0. And I am checking if there is any grounded. Lucky there's not. This is a ground wire, and I connected to the body of the microwave transformer. This wire, including with the step down transformer, I plug into the terminal of the microwave, and I secured the step down transformer with a screw. And this wire I plug into the transformer and to the controller output board. This wire to the input of the controller, and these 2 blue wire to the 12 volts input from the controller. And I solder the output wire from the transformer to the XT90, and I secure more, added more solder so that it can handle inrush current during the operation. I do the same to the other side. And then I do some test thing, auto voltage. It seems like the case is vibrating due to the electromagnetic. Because of that, I add rubber foam and do sound testing. Get 0.2 knuckle strip. Unfortunately, the nickel strip didn't stick to the plate. And do some test again, which I already increased the current. Going better, so I increased the milliseconds or time running. The result is better. It hold firmly. I increase again the running time, but the current remained the same. I increase the current. Well, the result seems good, and I cheer up. Well, it's stick firmly. A few nickel strips stick firmly to the plate, and it made a hole. So the result of my DIY, I am happy because it can weld 0.2 firmly, and do some tests because there's a lot of option to change the running time and the current or the max power. So I confirm the result with my DIY is fair enough. So guys, if you have any questions in regards to my DIY, kindly please comment in the comment section box. And thank you for watching. See you to my next video.